Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am here with another unboxing of my newly purchased, Mi-wired earphone with mic option. Let us unbox this thing, and know more about this product. The model number is YD-JS01JY, which is silver in color. You can get this in black color too. Here we go. Let me take out the earphones, and a user manual. It's only 2 sheets, which has information about remote control buttons and their features. You can pause the video and see. And in this tiny box, I see small and medium size rubber earbuds. They are made of good quality silicone rubber, which are sweat proof. Now let's open the earphones itself. The 3.5mm jack is not straight but right-angled, L-shape, and it is gold-plated as well. Let us have a close look at the earphones. The manufacturer say they are lightweight, but I feel they are little weight. The quality is really good, and they look awesome with this silver shining color. This is Kevlar-type tangle-free braided cable, which doesn't tangle easily. The cable is very strong since it is made of high-quality material and feels good. The remote can be operated to play, pause, answer the calls, skip, next and previous, and to control volume. The remote is quite big and 3 different buttons can be easily felt and identified while using. The build quality here is really good again. This remote is placed near the right earbud so it is easily accessible, and since it has mic too, it is placed closer to our mouth for good reception of audio during calls and recording voice. It comes with built-in microphone, 6 months warranty, inline remote control, additional earbud tips and anti-tangle braided cable. The main features are, it has passive noise isolation, it's made of aerospace metal diaphragm for a resonating bass, metal sound chamber, HD clear sound and super extra bass. Changing the earbuds is very easy, you just need to pull and push them to install. They sit tight in the ear, they won't come off easily unless you force them to. They give you a good passive noise cancellation effect and they fit perfectly in the ear. Let us hear some sample. I use this earbud with my OnePlus 6 phone, hope you can hear them. You can increase the audio quality experience by playing around with built-in earphone options on OnePlus 6. With general enhancement option, it sounds normal and no much effect at all. With OnePlus Bullets option, it gives more high-frequency sound and bass will be very low, so no much good audio quality here. With OnePlus Bullets V2, the mid-range sound will be high, again low bass and overall quality is average. With OnePlus Icons, the overall quality is really crap, I could not make out what is the difference between general enhancement and this. Finally, with Feet JBL E1 option the sound quality is really amazing, the bass, mid-range sound and high-frequency sounds way better. Finally, here is my conclusion friends, this earphone is overall good considering its price 599 rupees. The appearance, build quality, braided cable and remote control options are superb. It fits perfectly in ear and won't come off easily and it gives passive noise cancellation effect as well, so it works well outside. Overall sound quality is good but not amazing, with its quite medium bass and lack of picking up of low notes with non-Mi brand phones you won't be enjoying the music much if you are a serious music listener. I tried this earphones with Mi branded phone, they sound awesome compared to my OnePlus. If you are a Mi brand phone user then you can enjoy good quality music with this pair of earphones. That's all for now guys, thanks for watching, please like and comment below what is your experience with this earphones, and also subscribe to my channel for such videos. Thank you and take care.